I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If your Spectrum Mobile card is locked, follow these simple steps to unlock it. Step 1. Open the Spectrum Mobile app. Launch the Spectrum Mobile app on your smartphone. This is where you will manage your account settings. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 3. Navigate to Account Management. Once logged in, find the Account Management section in the app. This is typically located in the main menu under your profile settings. Step 4. Select Card Settings. In the Account Management section, look for Card Settings or Manage Cards. This is where you can see the status of your card. Step 5. Unlock your card. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. If you follow these steps, you should be able to unlock your card without any hassle. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Spectrum customer support for further assistance. Happy to help.